Morning, how y'all? Good.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the very first yard sale of 100 miles of yard sales. You heard that right. My daughter and I were able to hit up the US 21 road market that actually stretches for 100 miles from North Carolina to Virginia. We hit up some pretty rural areas, met some awesome people, and found a bunch of stuff that we could actually resell online for a profit. Check it out.
Last night was G and no, C. Oh, okay.
How much are your jerseys?
$5 for both of them. Oh wow, that's good. Yeah, oh yeah.
I'll be the first to admit that I know nothing about professional sports. I didn't even know who Chris Bryant was until I found his jersey. But if I see a jersey and the logo, name, or numbers are stitched instead of printed on the fabric, I'm probably going to pick it up if it's cheap enough. And two for $5, you can't beat that. The Chris Bryant jersey should sell for around $30, and the Brett Favre probably about the same.
Rainmate work? Okay.
I do know about these things though. This is a Rainbow Rainmate. It's basically like a humidifier. It was only $2, and right now on eBay there's 34 listed and 172 have sold. So that's a pretty good sell-through rate. If I ever get around to cleaning it and listing it, it should sell pretty quick.
Morning, how are y'all? Hanging in there.
As soon as I got out the car, I immediately spotted this Department 56 house, and that's why I had my phone out. I was ready to check comps. Turns out they were pretty good, and it was only $5.
Look at this. If you ever see these and they're made in USA, you definitely grab them, okay? On the back or on the tongue, it'll say that, okay? Look at there. Remember I was wanting one of those the other day? I'm assuming everything's good, but that's not broken or anything?
No, it's not broken.
Perfect. I'm gonna get these.
Have used it.
Really?
I was collecting them, think I was gonna set all that up, and I never did.
It'll probably sit in the attic. I know how that is.
Sitting in that trailer back there.
$6.
Thank you.
Thank y'all.
So I'm editing this video, and I realized I may have made a mistake here. Those other little Christmas houses that she had for sale, I probably should have got those too. I did look up comps while I was there. Well, they were selling for around $30, $35, but the sell-through rate was really slow. Well, it just dawned on me. It's July and eBay comps only go back 90 days. That's nowhere near Christmas. These things probably would have sold really quick, closer to Christmas. Probably should have grabbed them, but either way, the Department 56 was a good pickup.
That's fine. Those are Crocs. That's cool.
For what?
Crocs. Never seen Crocs like that. You?
No.
Those are Ariat boots.
For what?
How much are your shoes?
Try to be like Darren.
Oh, yeah, 6?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank y'all. Morning.
Did you hear that? How about now? Yeah, I've never had one of these Guitar Hero controllers that rattled like that actually worked. And it's a bummer I had to put it back because these things actually sell really well. I'm always on the lookout for surefire flashlights. Unfortunately, these were not them.
Morning, how you? Good, about you?
I was just going to tell you all the little things like on this table and this table and up the sides and all.
Okay.
All that should have prices on it.
Okay.
The clothes are $2
Okay.
unless there's a sticker on it.
Okay.
And we've got more clothes in that closet right here.
And I smell biscuits, so that's what I'm looking forward to.
And we got food.
Awesome.
We got a lot of stuff in here, so take time to look around.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Couple minutes later, he gets up and leaves, goes to the grocery store, comes back with 3 big old boxes of it.
Big
It does a little bit. Your car or just period.
Yep.
Where's your key? Yeah, I didn't know to look for it.
Olivia's mom. Olivia gets the big.
1995.
Why do people cut the tags out?
But see, get 1996, so that's vintage, that's good.
Yeah, I
But
found it.
the subject matter on this one is not great.
Yeah.
Follow me? This is cool. Let's get that. Oh, what's this? This is good. How much those are? $5? I don't know. Never found them before. You have to look them up. $5. Make sure there's no tears or anything.
All there is like right here, there's a little bit
Yeah,
of.
that's good. I think we're ready. We pay you for biscuits too, because we definitely want a biscuit.
Okay.
What kind of biscuit you want, babe? Sausage or ham?
Sausage.
Sausage, 2 sausage biscuits.
A couple of things here. Number one, the sandals that Sloan found were actually vintage Nike ACG or all condition gear sandals. Really good condition and only $5. We had to pick them up. Comps look like they're in the $30 or $40 range. We couldn't find an exact comp on that exact model, but I think she did pretty good. Also, we did actually eat some biscuits, and they were fantastic. Nice homemade biscuits from these ladies out in this country church. You can't beat it.
Morning.
Good morning. So you can put 15 down for me.
I'll typically pick up these vintage point and shoot 35mm cameras if I can get them cheap and they're in good condition. I don't even look them up. They usually sell for at least $20 or $30.
I feel like I need to pay you to take it. You just laugh. I know. Oh, okay. That's an antique right there.
Well, I picked the one thing without a price on it. How much are you asking for it?
Oh, I think I had $5 on it.
5?
Yeah, I guess it come on.
Probably did. Probably didn't stick to that bag.
Yeah, these little things, you know, don't stick.
That's right. It's probably around here somewhere.
Yeah, that's an antique right there.
That's cool. It's good condition too. I'm gonna grab it from you.
Okay.
You
Okay.
just tell this gentleman up right, hey, you get a raffle ticket.
For me?
Yeah,
No, ma'am.
you have to.
I have to. How much is a raffle ticket? And what do I
$5,
win?
But let me tell you what it is.
If I can win a spot in the air conditioning, that might be worth
Well,
it.
you can. You can go. You can
About-
stand in there for a while.
About 12 o'clock.
We got a chance for 3 prizes. First is $400 gift certificate down here at Quality Hardware.
Okay.
The next one is a $400 chainsaw.
Now I'm not local, so.
Well, where's you from?
Lexington, South Carolina.
Well, you can still get it.
Okay.
And a $100 sheet card.
All right.
See?
$5.
See,
Talk-
$5.
You're a hard salesperson.
Now you can stand in there in that air conditioning. You can stand in there in the air conditioning for a while.
If you can provide some change.
I will.
Awesome.
If you'll write your name and telephone number.
Okay. You don't need my address or anything?
Well, if you want to put it on there.
You're not gonna stalk me, are you?
Huh?
You're not gonna stalk me, are you?
No. Since you're not local. No, hey, who's got the hey? With it. So you're from Lexington?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, honey, I want
South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you come up this way often, or are you just up here for the play?
Up here for the sale.
Well, you know what? Let's see if that's 14. Yep. Well, let
Awesome.
me tell you what. I hope you win.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Bye bye.
Let me ask you something. You know, Francis was
Spotted that a mile away.
I did. How much is it?
Let me ask Ronnie just.
5.
Well, you couldn't buy a pocket for that.
No, it's a little rough, but I think 5 is fair.
Okay.
I'll take that. I don't keep looking around if that's all right.
We'll go right ahead. We'll just run you a tab.
All right. My wife says that too.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, ma'am.
Good for you.
Yes,
We're
ma'am.
proud of you.
I'll
We
be back.
appreciate it.
I'll be back to pick up my chainsaw. Y'all just let me know when.
All righty. We wish it was that easy on that lottery. Is that drawing tonight? Oh, I gotta go.
It's $1 billion, isn't it?
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine.
I
can't even
couldn't-
fathom it.
I couldn't imagine nothing. I don't dare go buy one. If I bought $1,000 worth of tickets, I probably wouldn't make $5 back.
You and me both.
A few years ago, I couldn't figure out why he hadn't got home from work one day.
Uh-oh.
And I called him and he said, well, I had to go to Greensboro. I said, Greensboro? He was in Hickory. I said, what do you have to go to Greensboro for? He said, scratch off $15,000.
What? Wow.
I said, you got there and got back yet?
You better hurry back. We better take you out for dinner, right? At least.
Who's gonna take who after dinner? I'm ready. So what's your name?
My name? Evan.
Oh, you live?
We're from South Carolina, actually. We're from South Carolina.
Oh.
Came up for the sale.
Well, I'll sell you every one of them books.
For how much?
$20 for every one.
$20. I can't read that much.
Well, now,
Take me a lifetime.
My husband
it's about 50 books, sir.
$1,000 a few years ago off the scratch off.
It would take me a lifetime. Y'all have a good one.
We'll give you a jingle on that raffle now.
I'll be sitting by the phone.
Okay.
Thank y'all.
So they don't draw for the winner of this raffle until August 18th. So I don't know if I've actually won the chainsaw or not. But this was only like halfway through day one of this US 21 sale. There's a lot more sales to go, a lot more cool people, and even met somebody that you guys might recognize. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on that bell so you get an alert next time I release a video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you next time.